Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view your comment history on Steam account, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your comment history on your Steam account, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my Steam account over here. And after logging into your Steam account on your computer, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, guys, you can see your username over here where my mouse is hovering, and when we hover over that username over here, it's kind of drop down menu will appear where we'll be required to click on the activity option over here, and we'll land on this interface where at the right side of this panel you can see a bunch of options available over here. Now in order to view your comment history on Steam, you can see the my comment history option available for us. Click on that, and then on this interface, guys, all of your comments which you had commented on this account will be available over here where it says other comments as well as your profile comments. And with that being said, guys, this is the place you will be able to view your comment history on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.